How has clarity helped you with your business, with understanding your business and understanding, obviously, especially with using your logo, how has that helped with your business?
It's definitely been good because I think for me, it's been part of a long process of trying to get exposure out there and also building up a client base for myself. So one of the first things a lot of people ask is, oh, do you have a website? They look at your signature, basic things like signatures in your emails to see if it's just a standard name or if there's a logo attached to it. Good thing about having a logo is I can attach that to the signature and then have a hyperlink pointing to my website there as well.
Yeah,
And also, if I want to expand in the future to say Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, make it even bigger, that logo definitely helps because you can see instantly people go, oh, that's quite a cool logo. And people say, oh, that looks a bit like a microchip, and that's kind of where we're getting people. So the fact that they can see that within 5 seconds of looking at the logo has been pretty helpful in helping me business-wise to kind of get clarity and focus on what I'm trying to do. So
yeah,
yeah,
it's making you sort of understand it's important to have that connecting tool, isn't it? To make sure that people understand exactly, as you just said, exactly who you are from the get-go. Or
yeah,
it's the tool that people meet with first before actually
yeah,
getting to meet you.
yeah,
So yeah,
exactly.
you're right. It's quite important to have that in place. So how has consistency helped you with your business, basically, in understanding what it is that you need to make sure that you have in place when you're actually putting your, delivering not only your brand voice, but obviously your message as well,
Yeah,
and things like that.
yeah. I mean, brand-wise, definitely. Having a logo there, literally now for me, is a good reminder. So any form of communication I have with any clients, that logo's got to be there. Because for me, it's what makes my business unique to the hundreds of other businesses that are doing the same things that I do as well. Um, and yeah, it's definitely helped because I've got clients who say, "No, we know full well that emails come straight from you. Just literally, even if we don't even read, the full body of the email, as soon as they get to the logo, they know exactly who that is who's contacting them because it's quite unique in that respect. So it's been
Yeah,
good in that sense.
yeah.
Um, and for me, it's just allowed me to just consistently get the message across of what I'm trying to provide to my clients as well. So yeah, it's been very helpful in that respect.
Good, 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 good. So you talking about kind of goes nicely onto my next question, talking about clients just now. How has the idea of customer come now into play? Now that you understand how clarity, consistency sort of help with your business and help you to reach your clients, how has that how have you understood that for yourself?
I think for me, it's definitely a case of it shows, I think, how invested you are in your business and your brand and what you want to achieve and the level of professionalism you provide for your clients. If you make investments in certain things like brandings and logos, to me, that shows that you're serious about what you do. And clients also turn around and say that they're more inclined to work with people who have got websites, got logos, got branding, got a clear message as to what they're trying to do, than those who are just like, oh, just pop an email here and there or try to get,
Yeah,
business and work that way. So
yeah.
it's definitely helped me have a more customer focused approach to how I provide my services by having, that unified message, the logo front and center. And it leaves me in a better position, I think, than say others who don't have a similar sort of strategy in place.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah,
It's so true. It makes a huge difference, especially when, just all those things you pretty much said. It kind of gives you confidence in just knowing that, do you know what? Okay, this is me. This is my representation, and it's representing me well. And as an added bonus, almost, isn't it? To obviously you've got your skills and your services, and on top of that, but it's just that added bonus to help push you into getting the clients that you actually want to work with.
you
So,
take pride in it as well. I mean, when you're any interaction with the client,
mm,
you're saying, okay, this is my business. So this is my baby. This is what I'm responsible for. So you do take a lot of pride in it to say, okay, I've got this clear message. I've got this clear level of branding. I've got this logo that says, exactly what I'm about, or at least gives you an idea of what I'm about, or will point you to various links as to what I'm about.
yeah.
And it definitely does show in the reaction from clients
Mm.
when you've got that clear message. So it's definitely very helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. And I guess, would you say that it's kind of helped you to gain new opportunities as well with, not sometimes, because a lot of clients I've spoken to, it's not necessarily with just the clients, but also with their peers as well. Sometimes it's, I guess, encourage them, or just where they've had that good footing to begin with, peers, their rivals, if you like. They've kind of like understood, oh, do you know what? Yeah, you could actually be a good person to collaborate with, or so forth, or maybe I could use you on a project, or
It definitely has brought up a lot of questions as to where did you get the logo from and who did it. That's also good. So it's been great.
Another good talking point. That's good. Yeah,
it's been great to be able to say this is the person who did it. It's the business that did it. If you need it, this is the person you need to talk to get it done. So it's been great in that respect. But yeah, it does open a lot of doors. Definitely having that sort of consistent message. Customers like it, so customers like it. I like it. So, yeah.
Absolutely. Brilliant.